This Gas 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 high-efficiency burners is a premium addition to any modern kitchen, offering a blend of style, functionality, and safety. This review will provide an in-depth look at its features, performance, and overall value, making it clear why this gas stove top stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. The first aspect that catches the eye is the cooktop's sleek and modern design. Made from brushed -304 stainless steel, the surface is not only beautiful and concise, but also highly durable. The one-piece stainless steel design prevents spilled liquids from seeping into the interior, ensuring easy maintenance and a long lifespan. This corrosion-resistant and wear-resistant surface is perfect for those who enjoy a high-quality, low-maintenance kitchen appliance. The dimensions of the cooktop are 30 inches in width, 20 inches in length, and 3.9 inches in height, making it suitable for most kitchen spaces. The cutout size required is 28 inches by 18.9 inches, so it's essential to verify that these dimensions match your kitchen's specifications before purchase. Note that this cooktop is designed for built-in use only, which contributes to its seamless integration into your kitchen countertop. Equipped with 5 high-efficiency sealed burners, this gas cooktop offers a versatile cooking experience. The burners provide a heat range from 3,400 to 13,600 BTUs, catering to various cooking methods such as frying, steaming, slow cooking, and quick frying. This range of heat outputs ensures that you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously without compromising on performance. The high-efficiency burners are designed for stable performance and higher efficiency, allowing for quicker cooking times and more even heat distribution. Whether you are simmering a delicate sauce or searing a steak, the precise heat control ensures optimal cooking results. One of the standout features of this gas cooktop is its user-friendly design. The melt-proof and anti-scalding knob controls are not only durable, but also designed with safety in mind. The child protection lock requires pressing and rotating the knobs simultaneously to ignite, preventing accidental activation by children. This thoughtful safety feature provides peace of mind for families with young children. Additionally, the heavy-duty cast iron grates are incredibly robust, ensuring that pots and pans remain stable during cooking. These grates are resistant to deformation and slippage, accommodating various pot sizes and providing a solid cooking platform. Flexibility is a key advantage of this gas cooktop. It comes with default settings for natural gas NG, but also includes extra nozzles for liquid propane LPG conversion. This dual fuel capability allows you to choose the fuel type that best suits your household, making it a versatile option for different kitchen setups. Safety is further enhanced by the thermocouple flame-out failure system FFD. This feature ensures that the gas supply is automatically shut off if no flame is detected, effectively preventing gas leakage and reducing the risk of accidents. This system is particularly important for maintaining a safe cooking environment, especially in households with children or elderly members. Installing this gas cooktop is straightforward, but it's important to note that it comes pre-installed with a 120-volt power cord. However, the natural gas pressure regulator and gas pipe are not included, so you will need to purchase these components separately if required. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to the brushed stainless steel surface, which is easy to clean and resistant to stains and corrosion. Regular cleaning with a damp cloth will keep the cooktop looking new and functioning efficiently. It's also advisable to avoid installing the stove in a damp, closed environment, as long-term moisture exposure can cause rust on the stainless steel panel. In conclusion, the Gas 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 high-efficiency burners is a top-tier kitchen appliance that combines style, performance, and safety. Its brushed stainless steel surface is not only visually appealing but also durable and easy to maintain. The 5 high-efficiency burners provide a wide range of heat outputs, catering to various cooking needs and ensuring even heat distribution. User-friendly features such as melt-proof and anti-scalding knobs, child protection locks, and heavy-duty cast iron grates enhance the overall cooking experience. The NG-LPG convertible capability adds flexibility, while the thermocouple protection system ensures a safe cooking environment. This gas cooktop is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a reliable, high-performance appliance. Its compact size and built-in design make it suitable for most kitchens, providing a seamless integration that enhances both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your cooking space. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the 30-inch gas cooktop with 5 high-efficiency burners will meet your culinary needs with ease and efficiency. Its combination of advanced features and thoughtful design makes it a standout choice for anyone serious about cooking. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider liking our video and leaving a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews, cooking tips, and kitchen appliance recommendations.